don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Kotari. Welcome to my YouTube channel NK where style meets confidence. So as you can see, this is a complete western lehenga. So today we are going to drape in one style but in many different ways. So let's get started. So for this we will take this veil and firstly we are going to check what length we want. This is the length I want. Okay, so I'm going to hold it from here. So we are going to hold it like this. After holding like this, from the right side you're going to hold the same way, but from the left side you're going to take it up and make it like a slant line. So we want the slant line. Then we are going to take like this. Okay, and you're going to like tick 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 tack, 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 tick 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 tick. Go. Safety pin. Take care that it is attached to the pearl. Otherwise, you're going to tear your veil as it is. Like this, the way how we put stitches, same way we are going to do it. Tick 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 tack, tick 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 tack. You can do it. This is the one way, like how we put stitch. The same way we have to do it. The other way is just take it, like take it, tick 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 tick. Once you have done it, take care both the borders are on the top and do not hide it back, as we want to enhance the complete look. As you can see, both the borders are at the top. So you're going to see something like this. So I'm going to see something like this. This is what we wanted it. So after this, we are going to take the second part of this. This is the first part. So we are going to take the second part, the upper one measurement. So this is the one where we want it to be, and this is the second one where we want at the shoulder and the shoulder. So what we are going to do, we are going to hold this part and start doing the same as we have done there. If you're feeling difficult, then what you can do, you can rest this part over here. After resting this part over here, you can just grab a safety pin, then start doing in the same way as you have done there. But take care, your border shouldn't be hidden at the back side. So that's it. So now what you're going to do is, you're going to take this, rest it over here. Okay, and now see, this is how perfect it's going to come. This here, this here. If you want, you can take this completely tight if you want, like this, or you can leave this one is bit loose. I would like to leave it bit loose. So what now, what's a twist over here? So we are going to take this patch. How did I make this patch? You can just go and check out my yesterday's video. As you can see, this looks like C. So this part we are going to keep it down and just keep it over here where you want it. We are not going to take above the shoulder line, just over here, exactly down. So you have to take like one, and this second one is like this. one above the other. So you're going to take the pen. Take care, you should have a pearl in it. Pin it with veil. So once you have put over here, you're going to take other pen and you're going to take the dupatta and you're going to fix it with the blouse. So now you're going to take the other part. We have made this two. The second one we are going to put it over here. C part is going to come at the downside. Like this, like this. Just turn it. Once you have done it, one above the other. You're going to take this, insert the safety pin with the dupatta, and you're going to pin it up. Once you have done over it, you can see it is formed like this. So this is the way. Now it's not going to slide. If you don't pin it with veil, then it's going to slide. So take care, you pin it with this way. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take it like this. Okay. If you cannot put it from inside, then what you can do before wearing it, you can just attach a pen, or else you can just take care. You just pin it like this. After taking it, just pin it up like this. Once you have pinned up, you are done with it. You can just pin it up like this. Once you have done, it's completely like this. So your pins also won't be visible. You have secured also. Now it's going to move here and there like this. It's going to be stiff, no matter what. Arrange it properly. This is the first way what we have done it. Our second way is going to be, you can just take this part and pin it up. Just a small pen. It can even be tighter if you want it to be like a line kind of. You can even get this look, but fine, I would love it to be loose enough. So now other way is, you can just remove this patchwork. You can just leave it like this, and from here you can just do pleats, smaller beads, but not too bigger. Pin it here over here. As it is a net, if you're finding it difficult to pin it up, what you can do is first you can pin it up there separately. Then you can pin it up with Lehenga. This is our second way. So let's see what's our third way now. The other way is you can just leave it like this, simply just attach a pin over here. That is the third way. One more way is you can take this patchwork and attach it as a bracelet. So it would pair up really very nice. You can make it as a bracelet. For fourth way, again we need to take this patch and apply the same way as we have applied over there. Same thing, I'm going to take a patch, attach it. So in a fourth way, we are going to remove this patchwork. So I'm going to take this border over here. So So what here you can do is you can start pleating from the upper side or the down, wherever you love to pleat. I'm going to take from here. Just start pleating. Tick tick tuck, tick tick tuck. Nicely you can pleat it, and just take a small pin and pin it up. So you can pin it over here, or you can leave it like this, the way you want. So this is a fourth way. Take care that you pin it over here so that it don't fall again and again down and you don't get irritated. So this is our fourth way. Now coming to our fifth way. Let the veil be like this, 1 to 2 inch. From here 1 to 2 inch. From 2 inch, I'm going to just put it upside like this. 1, 2, 3. Take like a crosswise bit. Fourth, fifth, sixth. Just go on taking it. You can just take a pen, attach with your blouse, just like this. Okay, you can arrange it properly once. There you have got a nice pleats like this. You can do it completely like this, and then you can take the whole part and attach the pen directly down to it, giving it the shape. This is our fifth way. In our sixth way, which is very interesting. This is like this. You can just take middle of this, grab it, put it over here, and you can just pin it up. So you can see this form a nice shape. And you put it up. If you don't like this, then you can just take it and put it up like this completely, or you can tighten it up. Take a safety pin and just put it. If you want the back part to be done in different way, you can just take the veil over here and you can just pin it up over here. This hangings are going to look like this, so you can pin it up at the back side, or else same thing, you can take it the front and pin it up over here. You can take from the back side. This part you can take it, hold it the same as you have hold it there, and just pin it up with it. So again a different look. Thank you so much for watching this drape. It was one style and 6 different ways, and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and comment, and the most, do try it. Thank you so much. See you in the next drape.